Hey everyone! Today we're gonna have an easy and beginner-friendly routine. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. For this routine, we start on our forehead. Start to lift slowly and slightly on your forehead with your fingertips. Start from the tip of your brows and move outwards to your temples. Keep doing this for 10 times. For the next exercise, go to the eye area and again with your fingertips, start to draw circles around your eyes. Don't go too close to the under eye area and slide on your cheeks. Keep doing this for 30 seconds slowly and smoothly. With this move, you're gonna boost blood circulation and reduce any puffiness in the eye area, also dark circles under the eyes. Next exercise is full face massage. Put your fingers on your chin and start to move upwards around your lips to the sides of your nose and then go up to your forehead. Then start to move outwards and come down on your face and finish on your chin. Keep doing this for 10 times. This move will activate the muscles on the whole face and also boost blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. For the next move, start to massage with your fingers on the sides of your cheeks slowly in circular motion for 30 seconds. This move will reduce jaw tension and improve facial symmetry. It will also open the lymph nodes and reduce facial puffiness, especially in the morning. Next move is for smile lines and the cheeks. Move with your fingertips from the sides of your nose outwards to the sides of your face. Keep doing this for 10 times. Your pressure should be medium. This move will unfold smile lines and sculpt the cheekbones. As you can see, my cheeks are getting red, so it means that this move is also helping to boost blood circulation, and as a result, it will help with the skin to go brighter. Next move is for eyes and cheeks. Start this move with your eyes and mouth closed. Then, as you open your mouth, open your eyes as well and stretch your face. Keep doing this for 10 times. This move will activate the mouth muscles, eye area muscles, and the cheeks. It will lift the face overall. Next move is one of the most effective exercises. Tilt your head slightly upwards and start to blow kisses towards the sky or the ceiling. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. As you do this move, try to stretch your cheeks and move them upwards as you are lifting your neck. This move is so effective to reduce facial fat, double chin fat, sculpt the jawline and the cheeks. It will also help to reduce buccal fat. For the last move, we move to the jawline. Pinch your jawline and start to move from the chin towards your ears with your knuckles. Your thumbs should be sliding under the jawline, moving the double chin fat towards the lymph nodes which are located in the ears. Keep doing this for 10 times. This move will sculpt the jawline, reduce double chin fat, and release jaw tension. So this was it for today's easy routine. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.